This is Anthony Galliano for B2B Asia News with a Ministry of Commerce update. The Ministry of Commerce has migrated from its old system to the new system of the online business registration system. Enterprises must re-register on the newer online business registration system by clicking the link below. Once the link is clicked, you will get a screen which is a logon screen to the new system. If you haven't established a username and password, you can proceed to the Don't Have an Account login, which is on the bottom of the screen, to establish a new user account. You will be asked for your name in Khmer or English, passport or ID number, phone number, email, and to establish a new user account and password, and to confirm that password. Once submitted, you can log on to the system. You could then apply to request ownership of your company on the new system. This involves inputting the company registration number and including supporting documents. This is generally a request letter with company information, a mention to manage the company through the new system with an account name, a phone number and email, and a statement of acceptance of legal responsibility. The certificate of incorporation and passport or ID of the person on the patent should be included. If the person requesting the ownership on the new system for the company is not the same as the company tax patent, a power of attorney will be required from the patent holder for requesting the user. After the supporting documents are submitted, you will see a pop-up of a QR code. Payment then should be made using that QR code. Generally, the payment is $40 to $60. A receipt will be provided by the Ministry of Commerce. Once the application of request ownership is approved, an email will be sent notifying of successful completion. The company information will then be updated on the new system. If the annual declaration of commercial enterprises is due, it will be highlighted on the new system and prompted. Practice number 117 on the simplification of business registration, issued by Cambodia's Ministry of Commerce with the effective date of January 8. Article 22 states all companies, branches of foreign companies, and representative offices of foreign companies are obliged to submit annual declarations. Companies, branches of foreign companies, and representative offices of foreign companies are required to file annual declarations within 3 months of the anniversary date from the date of registration of each business. In the case of companies, branches of foreign companies, and representative offices of foreign companies, failure to have fulfilled the obligation to submit annual declarations within the time specified above, the ministry will grant an additional 15 days for filing the annual declaration. Article 23 defines the penalty for failure to file as a fine of 2 million real, or US $500. There have been several issues experienced by the business community upon re-registering to the new system. Specifically, undue fines levied for late filing of the annual declaration of commercial enterprises, and challenges to file the annual declaration as the capability to do so is not present on the system. The MOC has not made an official announcement to prompt companies to re-register and migrate to the new system. There is an absence of detailed instructions. This seems to be a change from the previous timing when the annual declaration is due and when fines are applied. In the old system regime, the MOC sent 3 notifications by emails reminding the company of the requirement to file from the anniversary date to 3 months after. The fines were not applied until 3 months after the anniversary date of incorporation, which was the required date of filing. In the new regime, there is confusion over whether the filing is required 3 months before the anniversary date, and then 15 days grace after the anniversary date. It seems to be the case that the filing needs to be 3 months before the anniversary date of incorporation. There is confusion around the filing date being either the anniversary date of incorporation or the date re-registered on the online business registration system when launched in 2016, which became the new filing date for some companies. As a result of deadline confusion, companies are finding that they are being levied undue fines in the new system, as the previous filing date is automatically in arrears in the new system. Some companies are trying to file in the new system and there is no capacity to file on time as the system is not recognizing the requirement to file. Unlike the General Department of Taxation, where a company can submit a letter through e-filing, If there's a problem or an issue, the Ministry of Commerce generally does not have such a facility, and the hotline can be challenging at times to resolve issues. If companies are being incorrectly penalized, and there are some system bugs whereby a company is unable to file the annual declaration of commercial enterprises, the company may contact the Ministry of Commerce hotline Monday to Friday between 8 and 5 p.m. Hopefully, an official announcement will be forthcoming on the requirement to re-register and on the handling of challenges for the annual declaration of commercial enterprises. This has been Anthony Galliano for B2B Asia News with the Ministry of Commerce of